Hello, my name is Alberto Alonso. I'm the last Jedi. I will save the galaxy. I know that sounds strange, but I'm the last Jedi. I arrived many years ago in the form of a baby to the planet Earth. To preserve it, I was aware of my origins on the Jedi planet, of my training as Padawan, and my future mission save the universe. Being a Jedi is not anything easy, unless on the planet Earth. The humans are not aware of the threat that closes upon them, the Sith. Despite them, the Yoda Master sent me to the Earth as a last resort to end this threat and free the galaxy. I know you don't believe me, but I will demonstrate that I'm really Jedi. First, my origins. I arrived from Jeddah in a spaceship which was disengaged when I was going through the atmosphere. Thanks to good, nothing happens to me. In the center in which I live, the psychiatrist says that I'm coming from the schizophrenia planet, but for more than a sec I don't met that planet. In second place, I have a laser sword. It's very dangerous object and it should not be played with it. But I will make an exception and I will show it to you. Look. Well, in the third place, the Jedi we have mental power much more developed than humans. I do not have demonstrations, but today I will make an exception. I'm sure to guess to the thought of all people who are seeing this video. I think you know that I'm crazy, that I'm not taking my medication, and that I came from schizophrenia planet. I'm sure. Observe us if I am able to read your thought. To finish, I will ask you to support me when the Sith arrive, because I'm the only one who can save the galaxy. Remember, remember that it's not too difficult to find me. Only search me in mental health institutions. Okay, that's all.